Hi friends, last week we talked about pitch and tuning. It's very important when you have a musical instrument that it's in tune with itself and in tune with other people. Otherwise it sounds terrible. Right now, this guitar sounds pretty good. I just tuned it up. But even if it's just a little bit out of tune, oh, it sounds terrible. We don't want that. So I'm going to tune it back up. And on a guitar, I use these tuning pegs up at the top. If I turn them one way, listen, and you can hear the pitch change while I turn the knob. Now it's in tune again. So now it'll sound good. It sounds terrible when you get a bunch of people in a room playing together and they're all out of tune. But the big question is, why does the tuning change when I turn the string? What's going on? If you look very closely, when I turn the knob, you'll see on this side, the string is connected to this post. And as I turn it, the post is turning. And what's happening is it's stretching the string. The higher I go, the more it stretches the string. If I tune it down, the string gets looser, and you can see the string will start to get floppy. So what's going on with that? So when you stretch a string, it makes a higher pitch. And when you loosen a string, it makes a lower pitch. So is there some way we could experiment with that at home? Here's what I'd like you to do. Find some rubber bands to start with, hopefully not too big. And then you need to put the rubber bands around something. You could use masking tape. That'll work. Listen. You could use some kind of piece of wood that was put together, like this. The only thing that's important is that the rubber band isn't touching at least one side, because if it's here, flat, it doesn't make a sound. I have this box. I'm going to use this box, very much like a guitar box. And I'm going to put my rubber band around this box. Let's see if it makes a sound. It does. It's kind of making a fuzzy sound. Listen to the pitch that it's making right now. Okay, what happens if I tighten the rubber band? And you can see on the top, I'm going to use my fingers, and I'm just going to pull the rubber band to make it tighter. It's much higher. Listen, this is higher, and I loosen it up, and it becomes lower. How high can I make it? Get it super tight. Okay, I'm going to loosen it up. Listen to the pitch change. So by making the rubber band tighter or looser changes the pitch. Something you might want to do if somebody's helping you is to get two rubber bands and try to tune them to the same pitch. I wonder if that's possible. Let's see what we've got here. I've got two different kinds of rubber bands. Listen to the pitch of this one. So this one is a slightly higher pitch than this one. I'm going to use my ears and stretch the rubber band to try and get them to be the same pitch. Now it's higher. So I'm going to loosen it up a little bit. That sounds pretty good. So your challenge this week is to try and make your own rubber band guitar and to try and tune it. All right, good luck. I'll see you later.